Unveiling Peace, the story of Bury the Hatchet. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's rich in history and meaning. Bury the hatchet. This expression is a great example of how language can capture the essence of cultural practices and turn into a metaphor used in everyday speech. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Bury the hatchet is an idiom that means to make peace with someone or to agree to stop arguing and forget about a disagreement or conflict. It's used when people decide to reconcile and move forward without holding grudges. This phrase can be applied in personal relationships, workplace conflicts, or even in political contexts where opposing parties reach a mutual understanding or agreement. The origin of bury the hatchet dates back to a practice among Native American tribes, particularly during the times of negotiations or peace agreements. When tribes decided to settle their differences and live in peace, they would literally bury a hatchet, a tool that could be used as a weapon, as a symbolic gesture of their commitment to peace. This act represented the cessation of hostilities and the beginning of a new era of friendship and cooperation. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In personal relationships, after years of disagreement, we finally decided to bury the hatchet and start anew. In professional settings, the two competing departments buried the hatchet and collaborated on the new project for the greater good of the company. In public or political discourse, it's high time that the opposing parties bury the hatchet and work together for the nation's progress. Bury the hatchet has been referenced in literature, movies, and media, often to highlight the resolution of conflict or the importance of reconciliation. By recognizing these references, you can deepen your understanding of the idiom's use and its impact on audience perception. Understanding idioms like bury the hatchet not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural and historical nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration helps you in your language learning journey and inspires you to embrace the power of reconciliation in your own life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and meanings behind them. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more fascinating aspects of the English language together.